be aware. Yeah, I think we're gonna do tomorrow some kind of campus tour type of thing, so that you can see the whole campus and not just this building. It's quite large and spread out. So.
Oh wow. Going to the satellite workshop. Dude, check this out.
Oh, I'm not sure about that, but yeah, let's see.
I've made it one time. It's not going to be fun.
No, of course, but
we'll
I
go
mean,
through everything like
yeah.
more in depth later.
cool.
Just want to show you guys the. So this is where the. It's a bit noisy. But there. Let's see. There's the current. Well, we tested. How long has it been in there? Like a couple of days. And we tested like antenna deployment, batteries. So it actually went down to like minus 40 degrees, which is way lower than what it should actually
No,
go
it's
to.
minus 45.
Yeah, but it survived, and the battery heaters worked after a while. We got worried for a sec there, but oh yeah, if you want to come closer, you can use this flashlight.
This is really awesome. I'm still new trying to, but hoping to get some footage for the team to be able to show them when we go back.
Yeah, and then we have this Hellhounds coil apparatus. They can simulate weak-ish magnetic fields. So basically, we negate the Earth's magnetic field in this point, and then put some sort of simulation on. But we gotta be careful that like no one's swiveling the chair or something. Because
Quite easy to fuck up the measurements.
then we got like our artificial sun, and yeah, our
So what's happening now is this machine is through this SDR doing radio, basically communication checks all the time with the satellite, basically through air. And I had a waterfall diagram there running on my desk. I'll show it to you soon, where that's hooked to the ground station antenna at the roof. And these radios are so strong that you can actually hear those. You can see them in the waterfall from the roof.
wow. We can also go to the roof and check it out.
Yeah, we can also go there at some point.
Yeah. Yeah. And here's a smaller thermal chamber. And this is more like where Alpha 3 works, which is more like the student side of things, because we're all like paid faculty, basically. So students work for free.
You want to go inside, I can give you a tour, but nothing much.
Yeah, but yeah, if you want.
Oh, yes.
If you can close the door, it's quite noisy.
It's surprisingly effective.
So yeah, for the Auto 3, it's a little bit messy, but we have a different subsystem categorized in different like plastic box over there. And right now we're working on the payload, the OBC and the EPS together. So payload is just the whatever sensor they want to put on in the orbit. OBC is the onboard computer that like a separate team is working on, and they actually have like a small computer that's running. And they can actually plug into the board and like command it from remote place. And then because I'm working on the EPS and the EPS is inside there, so whenever I need to perform a certain experiment, I will just take them out, hook it up, and like try to debug and test everything. So let's have a small DC supply bench to just have like DC signal, like very small. And oscilloscope is actually borrowed from the EPS station over there. But yeah. We also have 3D printer, as you can see, it's being used right now. And there's an ultrasonic cleaner over here. So after all the soldering work, we try to clean it as much as possible.
think? No.
I think
Crash
that's
all
all.
their
I can-
systems.
There's
kicked
a
out
small
immediately.
oven
Start
for.
pressing buttons.
It's actually
Yeah.
for PCB reflow. So
To melt the
you-
solder.
Yeah. So you know the masking
the
and then
paste.
paste and then you place everything on top and then you just melt nicely into the slot. So you can use that.
Sweet.
Actually, a lot of the manufacturing can be done in house. We're using like
Yeah, this is very
Quite
very
small.
similar to our current manufacturing capabilities. Gotta step up towards that eventually. The one that we have on campus, I think, is about half the volume of that. And then I don't know what
It's tiny.
True Anomalies
Small.
is.
We fit like 16 of us in there. So
Yeah,
that's great.
So the one that the company.
Oh, the vacuum chamber. Oh, you're talking about the room.
Like
16 of us fit in the vacuum chamber.
Right. So how?
That we won't be using.
Oh,
the
yeah,
full
yeah,
life,
okay.
But yeah, no, that payload's maybe 500, 600 grams. No, it's big. No more than that big. But we're gonna hit around 30 kilometers. So we need it to at least be